Hello friends, this is Sumita Gupta. Again, welcome you for the next experiment of digital electronics using virtual lab. Today we will do the experiment of half and full subtractor using virtual lab. So now click on the Google and in the Google type virtual lab. Otherwise you can type lab.code it in. Then click on virtual lab. In different broad areas of virtual lab, we'll click on electronic communication. These are different labs designed by different IITs. So today we will do digital electronics lab 1 by IIT Roorkee. Okay, there's a list of experiments. There are 12 experiments. We have done 1 and 2. You can refer the previous videos. Okay, today we will see the half and full subtractor. Okay, I'll give you a brief idea, otherwise it's a self-explanatory experiment. Okay, the theory, what is half subtractor and what is full subtractor. If you remember, subtractor, we subtract two bits, the two bits A and B. What is the output difference and borrow? So this is the A and B. Now remember, 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 1, 0 minus 1. So we have to take the borrow. So for 0 minus 1, always borrow is 1. Okay, difference 1, borrow 1. Remember, for 0 minus 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 0, difference 1 and no borrow, 1 minus 1, 0. Now for the equation part, what we have to do? We have to solve the equation by the K map. Okay. Now for difference, this is A, this is B. Okay, A and B. So 0, 1, 1, 0. This is A bar A. This is B bar B. So no pairing, it is A bar B, then A B bar. So what is the equation of difference will be? It will be A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, or we can say it is the equation of XOR gate. So you can say it is A XOR B. So equation of output for half subtractor and half adder is always same. Now for the borrow part, like what is the equation? Let's see, 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Sorry, 0 1 0 0. So only one here is there. From here it is A bar, from here it is B. So for borrow equation, it will be A bar into B. For borrow, it is A bar into B. Okay, so these two equations, output is A XOR B and borrow is A bar B. Now the question is how many gates required. So for A XOR B, one XOR gate required. For A bar B, one NOT gate required for the inversion of A. And for multiplication, we require the AND gates. Okay, so we require one XOR gate for A XOR B, for one NOT gate for A bar inversion, and one AND gate for the multiplication. So total 3 gates required. Okay. Now full subtractor will subtract the 3 bits. So A, B, generally we see, we always write C. Here it is written B. I used to use C. Okay. So A, B, C or A, B, B in B in. There are 3 inputs and difference and the power is the output. So now what you have to do again, now take pen paper and do yourself. Solve the K map. Solve the equation of D and B out to the K map. So after solving it, please check your answers. Please check your answer whether it's correct or not. But it's correct from your here. So difference will be A XOR B XOR C. Means A XOR B XOR B in, and the carry will be A XOR A bar B in plus A bar B plus B in. Once you will get it and draw the circuit according to the equation. Here they have not shown the XOR gate. A XOR B XOR C directly. They have not taken 3 inputs. Okay, so if you want how to draw the circuit, how we getting this equation through the K map in detail, so please write in comment box. I can prepare the separate lecture for that also. Okay, but here it's just for simulation. A procedure is given. Okay, so you can see yourself. I'm just directly showing you the simulation for half subtraction. Okay, so if you remember, I have explained you we need 3 ICs, one exhaust gate, one inverter, and one AND gate. If you will prepare the circuit in the breadboard or you will design PCB, so you need 3 IC. One IC for XOR gate, one IC for hex inverter, and one IC for the AND gate. Okay, and these resistors required. Now what you have to do first, you have to click on the supply. Now supply is connected. These are 2 inputs. Here red button means these two inputs are 0 here, and this LED is not glowing, means output is 0. You can add in their trip table. Okay. Now I am clicking on input A, it will be green, means now input A is 1, B is 0, and so input A is 1, B is 0, means 1 minus 0, A minus B. 1 minus 0 output is 1 and borrow is 0. So LED 1 is glowing, but LED 2 is not glowing. You can add like this. If both inputs are 1, then 1 minus 1, 0, difference is 0 and borrow is 0, both LEDs are off. Now click now if A input is 0, you can add like this. Now 0 minus 1, you have to take the borrow, and the difference is also 1, so both LEDs are glowing. Okay, this is for half subtractor. Similar to 2 is the funny part, means if you are at very beginner level, you are in 10 to start, then you can verify your answers. Means if 0 is A input, 1 is 9. So what should be the difference? It should be 1 or borrow should be 1, and check it's correct or incorrect like this. It's a funny part. So this was the for half subtractor, these three ICs. Then there should be some the LED we have to connect for the checking the output. If it is glowing means 1, not glowing 0. So for LED we have to use the resistor. That is for half subtractor. In the same way we will do for the full subtractor. Connect instruction. If you are any confusion, the instructions also there. Okay. Now click on the supply. Okay. Now full ladder one OR gate also required for adding the borrows. Okay, according to circuit. Now here three inputs, all three inputs zeros, and both LEDs are 0, means difference 0 and borrow also 0. I'm clicking on input A1 means it's what is it is 100. For 100 means difference is 1 and a borrow is 0. So first LED is glowing. When click on 2, then 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. So both are 0. Okay. Now I'm clicking on third also. The 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 1 means borrow is also 1 and the difference also 1. Okay. In this way, you can take all the eight combinations. Okay. And this is similar to again the same funny part, whatever you can check yourself. I'm suppose I'm giving the wrong, I'm just randomly I'm typing here. Check. It's incorrect. Because 1 minus 0 difference is 1. It should be 1 here. And there should no borrow. Check. It's correct now. Okay. So in this way, we have learned today the simulation of the half subtractor and full subtractor using virtual lab. So keep learning, keep sharing. If you like it, please like and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you. Bye-bye.